Hi, dear Aquarius. Very, very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal of reading for all the Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Venus rising from 10 till the 16th of Feb. The rules can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, not your story, as it's a journal reading. Want to be reader like me or want to have personal reading or healing sessions, you can check out the description box and find the links for the same for the best healing modality of the whole universe, that life changing Ho'oponopono masterclass link is given below. So let's start. Aquarius, your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment are. Let's see what we have. We have the Two of Wands. So it's like someone is waiting for something to happen in this situation. Things are on hold, deliberately maybe, and or this person is feeling like you are keeping them on hold. Okay, let's clarify the Two of Wands here. We have the Queen of Cups and the Page of Pentacles, Three of Pentacles. So this is someone who is with all of their heart and soul, you can say with all of their love and compassion. They feel like coming forward towards you and having this collaboration partnership. Now, for some of you, it's a completely new person who is waiting for you to be single, or maybe they are waiting for you to be available for them so that they can come forward and claim this energy of connection between you and them. Wow. So this is someone who feels like there is something stopping them from coming towards you and having this collaboration partnership with you. So they feel like they should just wait and watch and hope for the best. Okay, let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Aquarius? Let's see. Hermit card. So from your side, you feel like you should think a lot in this direction before saying or doing in this situation, anything in this situation. It's not about a person, it's in general. You feel like you should take your time in order to move to the next chapter of your love and relationship area. You should not just jump into any kind of relationship just like that. Let's clarify the Hermit. Let's see. Okay, honey, what we have? We have the Seven of Swords and the Judgment and the Three of Cups. So, because of the past experience or experiences, especially betrayals and manipulative energies and whatnot, it's like you are in this forgiveness mode right now, but not forgetting mode. And you feel like you should be with someone only when you are going to be ready, fully ready to open up in that direction. I don't think so that your energies are directed towards a particular person or situation. Your energies are very much directed towards this kind of dynamics of when I'm going to be ready, completely ready, when I will be over the past hurt and the pain, then I will think about this situation, love and relationship area with grace, with full force, you can say. So you feel like you should take your time until unless you're completely healed. Okay, that's really good. With all of your wisdom and knowledge and experiences, you feel like you should just take your time. Let's see, what do you want right now, what this person wants from you, what are their intentions for the situation between you and them. Five of Cups. They don't want to get disappointed in the situation. See, they have other options too that they're not interested in, but they don't want to get disappointment in the situation between you and them. Let's clarify the Five of Cups. We have the Page of Cups, the Star, and the Justice. Yeah, this time this is somebody who is also having a bad experience or experiences in their love and relationship area. This time they want to make everything right. They want to have a healed relationship, they want to have a beautiful connection. Aquarius, this is your card only. This time this person wants to start with the like a beautiful, loving and nurturing kind of energy, and they want to see things flourishing and going in a very, very beautiful direction. So if on this path they are going to feel this is not the good one or this is not the right one, they might leave in between because they don't want another disappointment in their life whatsoever. in their love and relationship area, because they are done with those kind of energies, those kind of games. So this is definitely somebody new around you who is very much interested in having a relationship with you down the line, starting from the friendship kind of a deal, but they are like on hold because of whatever reasons. They are not able to open up, and they are not able to express their feelings to you even if they want to. Maybe you know that this is somebody interested in you, but you are not ready. That is the deal. One of you is not ready, one of you is ready to start a chapter here. A friendship kind of a deal that can lead to something really pretty, really beautiful in the coming future. Let's see what's coming forward towards you. Okay, we have what do you want? Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Aquarius? Seven of Cups. See, you want to keep your options open, but you don't want to be emotionally confused. You don't want to be like, I want this as well, that as well, this as well, that as well. You want to take your time. You want to explore your options, and you want to take your time. Let me clarify the Seven of Cups here. But you're manifesting good options in your life. Let's see. Let's clarify the Seven of Cups. We have the World and the Two of Wands and the Ace of Pentacles. Yeah, you want to have something stable on the table, something beautiful, something that have the potential to become something really beautiful, really safe and secure and stable down the line. So definitely want to keep your options open, and out of those options you want only those people around you who have the potential to become something really beautiful in the coming future, a stable relationship, a stable connection, a stable deal. Yeah, this is what you want, and you're ready to wait. You're not in any kind of rush or hurry, or you're not in this energy of, oh my god, I want it right now, or else I will die or something. It's not like that. Let's see what could be the possible outcome of the situation by the 16th of Feb, Aquarius, for you guys. We have the King of Cups. So I do see emotional contentment and emotional happiness, emotional fulfillment. Let's clarify the King of Cups. We have the Eight of Cups, the Ten of Wands, the Eight of Wands. Right. See, it's like you are in the detachment phase right now, and the more you are detaching from burdensome and heavy energies, the more you are opening up to new people, new situation, new things, exploring new energies. And it's like multiple people, multiple energies coming in, and you feeling emotionally very stable and emotionally very happy about those things, those people, those situations coming in your life, because you are very open to explore. And while like you are exploring, you are in this energy of emotionally very very content with the kind of people, kind of energies you are about to experience in your love and relationship area. Although I don't see a full-fledged relationship here, I do see you emotionally content with yourself, and therefore you will be able to attract those kind of people who are equally content and equally available and equally interested. So I do see options coming in, I do see emotional fulfillment coming in. I do see this energy of the more you are detaching, and the more you are in this energy of letting go of stressful energies out of your life, out of your system, the more you are making room for the new, for the good ones. Very good, Aquarius. Very happy for you. You are carrying this energy from quite a long time now, and I'm very very happy and proud of you, because a lot of people get to that point where they are detached, and they're happy and they're doing their own thing, but holding on to that energy for more than a month or so is very very difficult, because we have to hold on to that energy for the rest of our lives. That's the deal here. But people get sidetracked, or they lost this energy of holding on to that energy, and they keep on attracting shit, and they keep on blaming. For you, the guidance here is Tower. Stay in the reality of the situations, whatever the reality is here in your situation. So even if everything is falling apart around you, it's making room for new, and you should be aware of this fact that whatever is happening is actually happening for your highest good, Aquarius. Whatever is falling apart, let it fall apart. Whatever is coming to coming to fruition, let it come to fruition. You just be aware, you just be a witness. It's like a movie playing in front of you. Watch every scene, don't react, don't say anything, just feel it, release it, feel it, release it. That's how it works. Yeah, I told you the essence of the whole meditation in 2 3 lines. So anyways, thank you so much for tuning in, Aquarius. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.